Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's quick video, I'll show you how and where to quickly get photos for dropshipping on eBay, and also how to quickly make the photos compatible for eBay. For anybody new to this channel, my name's Neil Waterhouse and I've been selling on eBay for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. One of the big advantages of dropshipping is that you never have to physically see or touch the products that you sell. And you don't normally need to take the photos of the products that you sell either. For this reason, most eBay dropship sellers don't take their own photos. They instead use the photos from their suppliers, competitors, or they find more online. But the problem is, often these photos are the wrong format or the wrong size for eBay. Let me show you how to quickly get around these problems and also how to quickly find more images. Let's use this cat tree as a demonstration. The first thing to do is click on the photo to make it large. Sometimes you need to click more than once to make the photo large. Then once you've clicked on the photo to make it large, then right click using Google Chrome and select Save Image and then Save. Now note that this only works with Google Chrome. If you're not using Google Chrome as your web browser, you can download Google Chrome for free. Now notice that when the photo saved, the file type was a .webp file, which is not compatible with eBay. eBay only allows photos with file types JPEG, PNG, GIF, TIFF. However, there's a simple free solution to this problem. Notice when I right click using Google Chrome, I have an extra option of Save Images Type. When I click on Save Images Type, I get the option of saving the file as a JPEG file or PNG, which are both compatible with eBay. Now, this Save Images Type is a free Google Chrome extension, and it's available from the Chrome Web Store, and it's had over 1 million downloads. I'll put a link below the video. If you also need to find more images, when using Google Chrome, simply right-click on any image and select Search Image with Google, and Google will show you all the websites around the world that have the same and similar images. Of course, in making this video, I have to say, always check with the owner of the photo to make sure that you're allowed to use it. If you want more detail about building a full-time dropship business from scratch and from home, I'll put a link up here and below to a previous week's video showing how to make $1,000 profit per week dropshipping on eBay. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you found any value in this video, please give it a thumbs up as it helps the channel. And make sure you hit the subscribe button to the no fluff, ad-free channel that teaches step-by-step how anyone can make a full-time living from their home using less than $100. Until next week, stay safe, listen more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.